Aloha everyone, it's Yumiko here. I'm a licensed acupuncturist. Today I want to show you how to use Moxa stick at home. Here is what you need. You will need a Moxa stick. You can usually get it from your practitioner, lighter or candle, and this is my snuffer, but you can use an ashtray or a little container with like maybe sand. So before you start doing moxa at home, make sure that you find an area that's well venerated. So maybe outside or an area with a fan. And also we are dealing with flammable, so make sure you tie your hair back, or if there's like any loose clothing, just to be careful with that, clear it out. And also I recommend to focus on this, not like watching TV or anything at the same time. Now actually, I'm gonna show you how to light it. Usually there's a outer paper, so you can remove that. And then light the one end of Moxa stick. If you can use the candle or torch or the gas burner on in your kitchen, that's much faster than using a lighter. Okay, so it's getting a little bit red. And then I usually blow it and remove the ashes. When I remove ashes, I wouldn't tap it. I will kind of roll it against like an ashtray or edge of the jar that you're using. Now, when you start seeing more the orangey area, and that's when you can start using it. Okay, now I want to show you how I'm going to use it on myself. Usually we will instruct you where you're going to be doing this. So however, I'm going to just do it on my hand. I'll hold it about like maybe between 1 and 2 inches away from the skin. You can just hold it there. You should be feeling the gentle warmth. And then once you start like feeling little intense heat, you can away. Some people do up and down. Some of us do circle. You can definitely experiment it, but then you shouldn't feel the intense heat. So after administrating this for about 5 to 10 minutes, you can safely snuff this in the snuffer or candle holder, or if you have a jar, like a long jar, like a glass jar with a lid that fits Moxa stick, you can use that, or you can use the scissors and cut it and make sure that the fire is extinguished. We do not recommend using water. So we recommend doing Moxibustion at home daily for improving circulations, great for reducing muscle tension, fatigue, general wellness, and then women's health. Be well.